Water is essential for our body to work. Without water, we are nothing. Here are the few facts and myths about water. To know more, stay tuned. Welcome to Saffron Glow channel. In this video, we have brought to you interesting facts about drinking water. If you like this video, click the like button and share to your friends and family. To see more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel. Water. About 70% of our body is made up of it. Water keeps every system in our body functioning properly. Here is the short note of important job of the water to our body. Water carries nutrients and oxygen to our cells and flushes out bacteria from our bladder. Body fluids transport waste products in and out of cells. The main toxin in the body is blood urea nitrogen, a water-soluble waste that is able to pass through the kidneys to be excreted in the urine. Our kidneys do an amazing job of cleansing and ridding our body of toxins as long as our intake of fluids is adequate. When you are getting enough fluids, urine flows freely, is light in color and free of odor. When our body is not getting enough fluids, urine concentration, color and odor increases because the kidney trap extra fluid for bodily functions. If you chronically drink too little, you may be at high risk of kidney stones, especially in warm climates, aiding digestion and prevents constipation. Adequate hydration keeps things flowing along your gastrointestinal tract and prevents constipation. When you don't get enough fluid, the colon pulls water from stools to maintain hydration, and which results in constipation. Adequate fluid and fiber is the perfect combination because the fluid pumps up the fiber and acts like a broom to keep our bowel functioning properly, normalizing blood pressure and stabilizing the heartbeat. Drinking water helps to normalize the blood flow, which in turn lowers the blood pressure level of the body. Cushioning joints. A component of synovial fluid, water is necessary to help prevent joint friction. Synovial fluid lubricates and cushions the joints and cartilage surrounding them, keeping bones from rubbing together. Water helps build muscle to further protect the joints. Muscle tissue consists of about 75% of water, which helps to form protein in muscles, stabilizing and protecting joints. Dehydration can reduce muscle tone by preventing muscles from contracting. Water helps to regulate body temperature. Since water can absorb and transfer heat as well, the human body uses it to stabilize temperature. Water has a relatively high heat capacity, with which it can absorb a lot of heat before its temperature rises. This trait allows the water in every cell of the human body to act as a buffer against sudden temperature changes. Water maintains electrolyte balance. The kidneys helps to maintain electrolyte concentration by filtering electrolytes and water from blood, returning some to the blood and excreting any excess into the urine. Thus, kidneys help maintaining a balance between daily consumption and excretion of electrolytes and water. Our brain needs water to manufacture hormones and neurotransmitters and also acts as a shock absorber for brain and spinal cord. Water maintains body weight. For years, dieters have been drinking lots and lots of water as a weight loss strategy. While water does not have any magical effect on weight loss, substituting it for higher calorie beverages can certainly help. Water works with weight loss if you choose water or a non-caloric beverage over a caloric beverage, or eat a diet higher in water-rich foods that are healthier, more filling and help you to trim calorie intake, says Penn State researcher. Food with high water content tends to look larger, it is higher in volume, requires more chewing, and it is absorbed more slowly by the body, which helps you to feel full. Water-rich foods include fruits, vegetables, broth-based soups, oatmeal and beans. Water helps to keep skin looking good and youthful. Your skin contains plenty of water and functions as a protective barrier to prevent excess fluid loss. But don't expect overhydration to ease wrinkles or fine lines. Water energizes muscles. Cells that don't maintain their balance of fluids and electrolytes shrivel, which can result in muscle fatigue. When muscle cells don't have adequate fluids, they don't work as well and performance can suffer. Here are few myths of drinking water. Giving your body enough fluids to carry out those tasks means that you are staying hydrated. Warning signs of dehydration include weakness, low blood pressure, dizziness, confusion, or urine, which is dark in color. How much water do we drink daily? Adult humans are 60% water and our blood is 90% water. There is no universally agreed quantity of water that must be consumed daily. So how much fluid does an average healthy adult need? The US Nation Academics of Science, Engineering and Medicine determined that an adequate daily fluid intake is about 15.5 cups, that is 3.7 liters of fluids a day for men, and about 11.5 cups, which is 2.7 liters of fluids a day for women. These recommendations cover fluid from water, other beverages and food. About 20% of daily fluid intake usually comes from food and the rest are from drinks. Is water the only option for staying hydrated? Well, no. You don't need to rely only on water to meet your fluid needs. What you eat also provides a significant portion. For example, many fruits and vegetables such as watermelon, spinach, or almost contains 100% of water by weight. In addition, beverages such as milk, juice, and herbal teas are composed mostly of water. Even caffeinated drinks such as coffee, soda can contribute to your daily water intake. But go easy on sugar-sweetened drinks. Regular soda, energy or sport drinks and other sweet drinks usually contain a lot of added sugar, which may provide more calories than needed. How do I know if I am drinking enough? Your fluid makes it proper adequate. If you rarely feel thirsty, your urine is colorless or light yellow, your doctor or dietitian can help you determine the amount of water that is right for you every day. To prevent dehydration and make sure your body has the fluids it needs, make water your beverage of your choice. It's a good idea to drink a glass of water with each meal and in between meals, before and during or after exercise if you feel thirsty.